My name is Sean Bush. I'm with NaceCare. Today we're going to talk to you about any troubleshooting you may have to do on the RBV 150NX. One of the common items that occur is when you're vacuuming is debris gets caught in only 3 locations: the floor tool, the wand, or the hose. So I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot that. So the first thing we would do is we'd remove our hose, we'd flip the wand over. Oh, there's debris in my floor tool. So I can do 2 things. If I can get it with my fingers, I'm going to pick it out. So if you continue on and notice you're not sucking up, well then it goes into the wand, and there's a piece of debris in my wand. So what I can do with that is I can either pick it out, or I can turn on my vacuum, and I can suck it out by placing my hand over the other end of the wand. The other area that you're going to get your obstruction is possibly in our 3-piece wand. So to dismantle, you're just going to twist and pull, take a peek down the wands. No obstructions. To put the wand back together, to ensure it stays together, is put it together like this. Put it in, give it a twist, place your other piece in, give it a twist. Easy peasy. Now, if you're vacuuming still, and you notice you're not getting any more suction on the vacuum, you're going to take your vacuum off, and you're going to check the hose. And the hose is easily done, like this. Take it off. The hose unthreads. You're going to take a look in the hose because usually it gets caught here. Very easily removed. You can easily pull it out. We're going to finish off this series and assisting you with proper operation. So you're going to notice it's the end of my shift. I'm going to take my wand off. I'm going to flip my tool around. I'm going to turn my vacuum on. One of the key features is keep your tools clean. Give your tool a nice vacuuming to get the hair off the bottom. Take your tools off. If need be, you can totally dismantle the wand just by twisting and releasing. Very easy. Now at the end of my shift, I'm going to take the battery out. I'm going to put it in the charger. I'm going to open up the top lid. I'm going to remove my bag. It's got soil in it. I'm going to flip the little lip on it so when I throw it in the garbage, I don't take a mouthful of dust. That goes in the garbage. Every once in a while, you're going to need to take your filter out. Always make sure you can see light through the filter. If you don't, put the bag in the vacuum, give it a vacuuming, or use another vacuum to vacuum it. This can't be washed. This can't be emptied and reused. And then there's a little foam filter in the bottom here that just sits in there. There's the foam filter. Always make sure you can see light through it. This you can replace if need be. Always make sure to just give it a little dusting off to replace it. It sits back in the vacuum, very easily done. Your main filter, back in the vacuum, sits in its little pocket. Your bag, new bag goes in. We slide our lid back onto it. You're going to notice we've got the HEPA bags in the vacuum standard. Line it up, close it up. So what you've done here is your battery's on charge. Your new vacuum bag's in and ready to go for the next operator. All your filters are clean. All you've got to do is put it away and go back the next day. Come in, take the battery out of the charger, put it into the backpack, put it on your back. To reiterate on that, to properly put it on again, I like to adjust the top harnesses here, adjust your spinal piece. So as you're fitting it on you, you might have to adjust the spinal piece a few times, easily done by raising and lowering it, picking a pocket it goes in, put it on your back like you would a jacket. Once you get it on, cummerbund first, and then work your way up for your adjustments. Chest piece last. Thank you very much.